Hi, it's John from Autel. It's getting cold here in the Northeast. Many of our customers choose to keep a second set of winter wheels and tires. This enables customers to take advantage of the performance benefits of winter tires while at the same time preserving their OEM wheels and preventing corrosion from salt and other hazards. This winter tire changeover is common practice in many areas of the U.S. A winter tire changeover is also mandated by the Canadian government in Quebec. This helps increase safety for everyone on the road. Today, we're going to do a quick demonstration of how easy it is to program and install a set of TPMS sensors in our winter wheel and tire build. Let's create a new set of sensors for this 2019 Toyota Tacoma. The first thing we want to do is make sure that there are no existing issues with the system. We'll take a quick look at the dash and verify that the TPMS mill light is off. In previous videos, we explained that each TPMS sensor has a unique ID number. This is how the vehicle keeps track of the location of each wheel and the sensor IDs themselves. Our goal is to replicate or clone the set of sensors currently on the vehicle and place the new sensors in the same location once they're installed in our new winter wheel and tire assemblies. Here's an easy way to keep track. Take a sheet of paper and write front left, front right, right rear, and left rear. Then select the vehicle application on the ITS600 and connect to the vehicle's OBD2 port. We'll then go to Program Sensor and choose Copy by OBD. Select each wheel location one at a time. Hold an MX sensor near the top of the tool to program. Make sure you keep track of where each of the new sensors belongs once programmed. We'll also need to mark the original set of tires so that when we reinstall them, they go back to the correct locations as well. Place the sensor down in the corresponding location on the piece of paper. Now that we've created our new set of sensors, we'll need to install the sensors in our new winter wheel assemblies and place them in the correct locations. Let's start the car and go for a quick drive just to make sure that the light goes out. We're now ready to deliver this vehicle to our customer. Never omit TPMS sensors from your winter wheels. They're a crucial safety system that no motorist should be without regardless of the season. Using Autel MX sensors in your customer's winter wheels is a cost-effective and simple way to keep motorists safe and generate additional revenue for your business. For more information about Autel's TPMS tools and sensors or any of our products, visit us at autel.com. Thanks for watching.